Hello guys, and in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Windows 11 Wi-Fi not showing. And if you new to my channel, please consider subscribe and like in this video. Without wasting time, let's start the video. First you need to restart the WLAN AutoConfig Service. To do that, you need to press Windows plus R key in your keyboard. Then it will be open run menu. Now you need to type services.msc and hit enter. It will open services menu. Okay, in this list you need to find WLAN AutoConfig. You need to go down. Can go down. Yeah, we are in WLAN. Yeah, this is the one. So what you have to do is just right click on it and tap on restart. Then it will be restart the WLAN config settings, and you can double tap on it and make sure your startup type is automatic. If it is changed to other this kind of one, manual, disabled or other thing, you need to change it to automatic. Okay, then after tap on OK. Okay, if this is not working, you need to go with second option. Second one is enable the Wi-Fi adapter. You need to again press the Windows plus R key. Again it will be open run menu. Now you need to type ncpa.cpl and tap on OK. Now you are in network connection window, and you can see this is the my Wi-Fi adapter. Just tap on it and right click. If you see that is disabled, you will be see this is not a disabled. This will be you can see enable button. Then you need to tap on that enable button. Then it will be enable your Wi-Fi adapter. In my case it is already enabled, that's why it is shows as disabled. If you see that is disabled, you will be able to see enable button. Then it will be enable your Wi-Fi connection. And the third method is update network drivers. To do that, you need to right click on the start menu and go to device manager, and in this menu find the network adapters. It is it is here. Tap on it. There are several network adapters in my computer, so this is the main one. What you have to do is just right click on it and tap on update driver, and you can choose the anyone from this list. I like to choose first one. It is check the online for latest drivers, but already I installed the latest one. So other than you can choose the second one, browse my computer for drivers, and again choose this one and choose your driver and tap on next. This will be reinstall the already installed driver in your computer, and this will also help to fix the Wi-Fi adapter issues. So try this one also. Then after it will show installing menu, and you can check Wi-Fi is working or not. So yeah, step number 4 is run network troubleshooter. To do that, you need to tap on Windows plus I in your keyboard. It will be open settings menu. Then after you need to select the system here, and in the right side menu you need to scroll down until you find troubleshoot option. Tap on it and tap on other troubleshooters. You need to find in this list network adapter. Scroll down. Yeah, this is the one. You need to tap on run. Then it will be find the errors in your drivers, and you can choose the which one has errors and go next and follow the on screen instruction. I am not going to do that. So this also help to fix your issues in your Wi-Fi. So that is method number 4. And method number 5 is reset network setting. To do that, you need to again you need to go to settings menu, just tap on start menu and tap on setting. In the left side menu, go to network and internet. In the right side menu, you need to scroll down and go to advanced network setting, and you can see network reset option here. Just tap on it and tap on reset now. Then it will be reset your network. Then you can check Wi-Fi is working or not. And method number 6 is check group policy setting. This will work on Windows 11 Pro. So but in my case I am already in Windows 11 Pro version, so I am going to show that one. First you need to press Windows plus R in your keyboard. It will be open run menu, and type gp edit.msc and hit enter. This will open local group policy editor, and navigate to user configuration, administrative templates, double tap on it and tap on the start menu and taskbar, double tap on it. In the right side menu, you need to find remove the network icon option. Scroll down a little bit. Yeah, it is here, a little bit button. Remove the network icon, tap on it and double tap on it. Make sure it is in not configured mode, and if you enabled or disabled, change it to not configured and tap on OK. In my case it is already in not configured mode, so I am not going to change anything. Just close this one and close this one also. And step number 7 is reinstall network adapter drivers. To do that, go to start menu, right click on it, go to device manager and go to network adapters, double tap on it and choose the adapter and right click on it and uninstall device. You need to uninstall this one, and then after you need to restart your computer. Then it will be automatically install the drivers that are suitable for your computer. So this will make work a lot of the times, so check that will be work or not. And the last method is Windows update. So sometimes Windows updates also affect your Wi-Fi adapter properties. So tap on the start menu, go to settings. In the left side menu, choose the last one, Windows update, and in my case I post the Windows update. In your case you will be find the button called check for updates here. Just tap on it, then it will be find the latest driver and Windows updates on the internet and install those updates. Then after you need to restart your computer. Then after check the Wi-Fi is working or not. And these 8 methods definitely work for you, and all the method will be not working, you have hardware damage problem, so you need to reinstall the network adapter. So yeah, these are the method you can follow to fix your issue. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.